So, my friends, this is Nan Riddle, life coach with Start Dreaming Today Productions, and I decided that I needed to shift my perspective just a little bit today. So I've been sitting in this chair that I put in a tree so that I could see things differently in my life, so that I could look at the different circumstances I have, the problems, the decisions I have to make from a different angle, from a different viewpoint. And sometimes we need to do that in life, and I don't mean to really put a chair in a tree, but I mean sometimes we really do need to shift our perspective about things. We need to look at it from different angles, from a different thought process. Whether it's a difficult circumstance you have, whether it's a decision you need to make, or maybe you got up today and everything is just hunky-dory. This is the only day that you'll ever have that will be March the 1st, 2016. So make it a wonderful day, my friend. Shift your perspective so that you can see the miracle in every moment. Have a wonderful day. I'm waving to you from my chair. Bye-bye now.